Hello everyone, Vanda here. I got some mangoes that I have washed and I can't get this tag off, which is not a big deal. But just want to quick show you how I open one up. Go in through the sides, leaving about an inch in between. And that's where the pit is, right? Then, my paring knife, and I remove the skin around this beautiful pit that we love to eat and gnaw on. And then, super easy, take your paring knife. You don't want to cut all the way through. I have good dexterity and I'm used to working with knives, right? But for the faint of heart, it's probably better to lay this on your cutting board and not hold it in your hand in case you go too far so you don't cut yourself. For me, I could feel how deep that knife went, but for the average person, it might not be so, right? And this kind of makes a pretty presentation as well. So again, go around and cut that off so you're able to eat the tons of flesh that's around this pit, right? So we're gonna have to become a little bit of a savage and eat with your hands, because that's the best way. That's how we were intended to enjoy fruit, to just eat it with our hands, right? Simple fruits. But we need the tools to get into these fruits sometimes, right? So we use a knife. But when we're eating it, we go back to nature and enjoy the bountiness and the benefits and the hydration that these fruits provide us. So, mango season here. These are red mangoes. That's the variety. Behind me, I have these, and these were called green mangoes. And if you can see, it's a different shape. These are not quite ripe yet. And as you can see, they're a completely different variety of mangoes. There's many, many, many different varieties of mango. So that's how I cut a mango. The easiest way to do it is to, and if you see what I'm doing, which is kind of funny, you're probably like, why is she putting one half on that plate and one half on the other plate? And that's so Louie and I can enjoy as if we had 4 mangoes instead of just 2 each, right? Because we're enjoying each other's halves of our mangoes. So I put one half on his plate, one half on my plate, because every single one of these 4 mangoes is going to taste different from the other. So this is a meal for us right here. This is what a fruit meal. I eat at least, these are quite large mangoes, but if it was the little Altufo ones, I could probably eat 4 of them. But when we have a meal, right, of fruit, we want to have enough to fill us up and to make us feel as if it was any other meal that we consume. So make sure you eat enough to fill yourself up, and so you're not hungry so quickly, because fruit digests very quickly. And so you need to eat more often and be mindful of that, because it's not the kind of food that our bodies are used to having to work at to digest, right? The body has to do a lot of work to digest some of the foods that we consume, like rice and beans and pasta and animal protein, right? Sometimes the body doesn't even digest all of that. It just accumulates it because it doesn't know what to do with it, because it's not bioavailable food for the human body, because we are, by nature, we're frugivores, right? So we want to make sure we have enough. And if I'm still hungry after I consume these two, which I don't think I will be, but don't be afraid to eat enough. Eat as much fruit as you want. Don't look at calories. Don't look at, nutrients. Just enjoy a bountiful of a variety of different fruits throughout the day, and you will definitely be fine. So this was just a little short video. Much love to you all. Bye for now.